Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. Before we begin, I thought why not show everyone who is new to my channel, and for those who are just stopping by, a glimpse of my previous fake bakes, so in case you guys want to see how I made these, you can go back and check those out. Also, I would like to thank all of my new subscribers and everyone who's been following me. Thank you so much, guys. You are the best, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. As well, I would like to apologize if I didn't put anything out there for this past week. I was feeling a little bit under the weather, I'm sorry, but I feel a little bit much better, so I figured why not get back to work. Well, I mean, back to my crafting, because it's really not work. I really love doing this as my hobby. Anyways, so with all of that being said, let's get this video started. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I got this idea off of Pinterest and I fell in love with it, so I wanted to try it out. Now, best tip for when you use plaster of Paris, you want to do small amounts at a time, because if you add too much water or too much of the powder, it's going to get either too hard for you or too watery. So the best tip, what has worked for me so far, is that I do small amounts and I just keep adding more and more until I get the amount that I want. And all you do is just mix it until you get that consistency of like a pancake batter, if that makes any sense. And yeah, like I said, that is so far what has worked for me. Now I have some here that are pre-made. Some of these are made out of plaster of Paris, others are made out of foam clay. If you want to know how I made the rainbow, all I did is just roll out each color of clay the same length and then place one on top of each other and then just curl the end. The cloud, all I did was also roll it out, of course thicker than the colors, and then just form and the letter S, and that was it. Added some glitter and some little stars to it. So when I make popsicles, I like to use fabric paint. This time I chose to use caulking. Really love how it looked. It gives it that fluffy look to it. The only thing I did not like is that when it dried up, it was like a grayish white, but next time I am going to pour it in a cup and then add some paint, and hopefully that will keep it white. Here's a quick tip. If you were to sit your clay mold in the freezer for about 3 to 5 minutes, it will dry a lot quicker than if you were to just sit it out at room temperature. So my idea was to cover the cone with this foam sheet, but then I thought using the glue gun instead and just making a waffle pattern, and then using the paint to cover the glue. And to be honest with you, I actually like it better. Who knows? Maybe next time we'll go the other route, but for this, I think it looks perfect. It looks more realistic, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. The only thing I did not like is that the top was a little flat. Maybe I should have added like a little tip, some clay, and then just made the tip of the cone. But other than that, I loved how it looks. Okay, guys, I have a confession. When I first was planning out this cake, I was excited, because I couldn't wait to get started. But then when I started putting everything together, I started freaking out, not knowing if it was gonna look good or not. But you know what? I really love how it came out. This is mind-blowing to me. This is a lot. This is actually my second big cake. The first one was my Valentine's, and then this is my second huge cake. I really like it. Guys, tell me in the comments below, what do you think? Should I continue making big size cakes, or should I just stick with the little ones? So anyway, until the next time, my friends, stay safe, be kind, bye.